Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We started driving from Bangalore and we are going to a place which I'll show you soon. Mandaragiri Hill. It's just less than 100 kilometers from Bangalore in Tumkur district. The Mandaragiri has a temple complex which is an important Jain pilgrimage center. On top of the hill, there are four 12th century temples and this place can be the next Nandi Hills of Bangalore. So guys, I have reached the destination. Let me show you the place. And voila. We'll go on top of that thing.
Yes.
Chalo, let's go.
Let's go!
Let's take the car and go up. Parking is there. Guys, this place has full potential to be the next Nandi Hills. There's like a beautiful top view there. A small temple is there with a tree on top, which is pretty beautiful. And from here, a big part of Bangalore is visible. Let me just show you. See, the city is visible from here. Way there. Hello, running puppy. Hello, running puppy. That's the temple. Guys, with this I'm winding this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this place, make sure to share with your friends and hit that like. Bye bye.